What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Xfusion, and I'm just coming on to, give a little unboxing. I just ordered the case. I gotta order the rest of the computer parts, but I'm a little impatient and I kind of want to go ahead and open up the case. You guys can see I got the 011 dynamic. Let me get pretty close up on it. Got the 011 dynamic, you know what I'm saying, in black. And I was gonna do an all black PC build with like RGB in it, but man, I am excited. Hope y'all can see this well. Oh, you know what? Let me change it to light color. Alright, I hope that's better. But first thing that comes on top, this is the model I got, the black. Do a black build with just some RGB in it. You know what I'm saying? Like a little manual. And this box is heavy, bro. Like, this joint is it's a heavy case. Like, this is a pretty heavy case. Oh, wow. Nah, this is beautiful. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh, this case is beautiful. Had to just unbox it on my bed because I gotta make room on my desk for it. But this case is beautiful. What's good, guys? It is currently 3:54 p.m. I just got home from school. My grandma just dropped me off. And we got a package and let's open it. It's more of the PC parts. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We got the RAM kit. Oh, this line is terrible. Oh my gosh, bro. We got the, I don't know how well I can see that. We got the, I don't even know the, bro. I'm just talking, bro. And we got the M.2 SSD. I don't know how well y'all can see this. The lighting probably trash. But yeah, we got the M.2. I still gotta order the CPU, motherboard, CPU cooler, the power supply, and the graphics card. Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Xfusion, and today another package came in, as you can see. You know what I'm saying? And I went to Best Buy, and I went ahead and picked up, a keyboard, and I got a mouse. I was in there just like contemplating on stuff, but I was just like, let me just get stuff because it's like my first PC build, and like I can always upgrade the stuff down the line. And I ordered the Corsair RM750e Elite with the LCD, and I saw the fans that it came with, so I had just picked up another 3-pack so I can put like some more as like intake, because the Lian Li 011 dynamic doesn't have any case fans that come with it. So I was just like, so at first I ordered the Lian Li Uni fans, the V2s, and I was gonna put them in, but then I was like, I'm gonna have 2 different like fans, and I was just like, well, I might as well like stack up some money, or like at least just get the same fans. That's the least I could do. I'm gonna just put this stuff out one by one. This is a box. Got a whole bunch, man. So first, oh, I almost just dropped it. First thing out the box, you know what I'm saying, the motherboard, you know what I'm saying, with everything gonna be hooked up to. Next, we got the power supply. You know what I'm saying? I went with 750 watts. This is the E version. I'm guessing it's supposed to be just more quiet. It was only $99, so I was just like, hey, might as well. The graphics card, oh, the graphics card is under it. Ooh, I gotta set this down. I need a way to pick it up. And I just got home from school. Oh, I need something to pick. I need a way to pick this up. Oh my god. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh my. This is huge. I ain't gonna hold you. And man, this graphics card. Oh my god. I got the Swift 6700 XT. I mean, only thing I'm waiting on is the CPU, and yeah, like I already got the case. I got the RAM. I had the RAM just sitting in there chilling. I took it out the packaging, and then my SSD is just still in there chilling. But I hope y'all can see that because I'm recording off my phone, and I'm using a front face camera so I can like see. So yeah, but yeah, tomorrow start the build. Hey, bruh, I'm so excited, bruh. But yeah, and I'm gonna be editing this video on the new computer. And hopefully, me editing it, it's like smooth and stuff. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, tomorrow the date. All right, I'm a little impatient, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just unbox. I don't know how I'm gonna edit this, but I'm gonna just unbox everything that I have right now. This is the same day that I got like the graphics card, the cooler, and all that stuff. I just decided while I was just setting up my desk for when I start building and stuff, I was like, I kind of want to see what like these things look like. So I'm gonna just do a little brief unboxing. Like a lot of the stuff I've already showed off. This is the SSD. I'm probably not gonna open it all the way yet, but yeah, it's pretty tiny. The RAM I already showed off. Of course, y'all already know the Lean Lee O11 Dynamic. It's behind my phone. I don't feel like picking it up. But yeah, I got 64 gigs of Trident Z Neo at 3600 speed, cast latency 16. So that's I got a lot and pretty fast RAM. But what else? The power supply, I already showed it off. I'm just gonna take out the plastic and unbox it. Stuff like that. Unbox it. Sheesh. Off the bat, do not eat. Give me some edibles. But they gave me yeah, I guess like the regular stuff that you get and like you buy a power supply. You know what I'm saying? I wanna see the power supply. Let me see this. Oh boy. That's pretty small. I mean, that's pretty small. Like, it smells weird. I mean, I'm gonna start smelling this, but yeah, this is a power supply. Wow, this is gonna power my whole entire computer. So the next thing we got is the Corsair one Elite. I don't even know. Corsair H150 Elite LCD. Yeah, IQ. I missed the IQ, but you get the point. Ooh, yeah, I gotta show this. My phone's on the track. Oh, that's a nice one. I hope y'all can kind of see. Let me just pull it out. And I got these AF120 RGB Elite fans to go. I think I kind of already explained that. I really don't know what I explained already. But let me just take some of this stuff out. So I see. Honestly, the fan's not as bad as I thought they would look. I wanted the mainly Uni 120 V2 because of like how the RGB flows, and I didn't really like how it's all like black around the edge, and it's like the RGB don't like it. I don't know, it's kind of weird, but honestly, they don't look that bad. And of course, the main attraction. When it comes with the hub, like the fan hub. Wow, thermoplate's already applied. And I see that LCD, LCD screen. Yeah. So yeah, y'all already know what I'm gonna put on there. I'm gonna put the GOAT Babytron. I'm gonna put a GIF of Babytron on there. But I mean, yeah. I mean, that's basically it for the AIO. On to the next thing. I got the motherboard. And there's no plastic on it when I had got it. But I'll go ahead and open it. Ooh. Yeah, you can't really see it because it's like plastic. The protective film. It's got some weight to it. Can't lie. Thought it would be like not as heavy. Oh yeah, that's tough. If I was trying hard not to like drop it, but like kind of showing up, that's tough. That is tough. Yeah, that is tough. Last but not least, I'm gonna unbox the graphics card for all the stuff I got today, and then tomorrow I'll do like an unboxing of the CPU, I guess, and then I'm just install everything. But yeah, 6700 XT. First we get the warranty cards, but I ain't even gonna hold you. I don't even care that much. I said I was gonna let y'all see first, but oh my gosh. I guess I got the first C. That's tough. Yeah, that's nice. I want to build it now, bro. Oh my. But yeah, man, that's really everything. Yeah, this will fit in the case. I don't know. I want to get the building. So yeah, that's everything I have right now. And then I already shut off the keyboard and mouse. But yeah, bro, I'm finna be cooking. I'm finna expect some YouTube videos, some Twitch streams. Go ahead and follow me on Twitch. It's AX Fusion. I used to stream, but now that I got a PC, I'm finna be back on it. It's the mic I'm finna be using. I had already ordered a mic stand for it. I don't know when it's gonna get here, but I had ordered a mic stand. It's finna be up, bro. It's finna be so up. All right, so right now I'm about to flash the BIOS for tomorrow because, bro, I just really want to build this computer. First I'm gonna open up all tear off all the side panels. I'm gonna go ahead and seat the motherboard in. All right, so not even gonna lie, I was finna just update the BIOS. So tomorrow, when I build it, I wouldn't have to like do much, but I've already started. Like, I put the RAM in. I've been like screwing stuff down. Should have put the SSD in. I don't know. It's like I'm bored, so I just want to build it. I wish the CPU would have came in today. That would have made everything like 30 times better. But I mean, hey. I mean, I ordered everything at the same exact time. Like, everything that came in today, I ordered it the same day. It was the same cart. It was, I don't know. But I guess the CPU is like further away. So right now, all I'm doing is just nailing down the motherboard to the standoffs, the case. I'm just tightening it to where it stops, where it feels pretty sturdy. And no, I'm not talking castanet.
I said you drank for listening that.
I did diagonal. I did. I'm finna crush ice in my soda. Puppy got me stuck like a holster. It's a gun in my holster. Let me see how it over. Almost done screwing it in. I put in the front panel connectors, and those, I ain't gonna lie, those are pretty hard. Like, they so like small. Alright, so a little update on what I'm on. I screwed in all the screws. I plugged in the HD audio. I plugged in these. I'm working on the USB 3.0 and the USB Type-C. Alright, so I don't know where I left off in recording, but right now I'm doing the power supply. And so the things I got done, I got all the front connectors hooked up. I got the SSD installed, the RAM installed, and then I'm waiting on the CPU that's coming in tomorrow. I'm just getting as much done as I can, and like I'm probably just gonna like finish it and then just update the BIOS, and then tomorrow I can just pop the CPU in and then do the first boot. But yeah, I'll catch y'all whenever I do something else. Alright, so I've been working on the PC for a little bit, and I just put in the power supply. I put it on the top. See, with this case, there's two options you can put it on, and I put it on top because it's kind of hard. I don't know if you guys can see, the lighting is kind of bad, but like whenever I take the PCIe cable for the graphics card and I ran it through here, when it was on the bottom, it was pretty tight. So I was like, let me just move it to the top so I can give myself a little bit of room. And before I put the PCIe slots back through that little slot, I'm gonna go ahead and put the fans in and route them. These are gonna be in the bottom for intake, and the AIO, that's gonna be on like the side, going vertical also for intake. So I'm gonna just have positive pressure because I don't have enough fans to do like intake and then exhaust. But when I get more fans, I'm gonna put the ones on top for exhaust, and then the one fan slot right here. I'll also have that one for exhaust. All right, I haven't recorded in a minute, but I've been just grinding out the PC. Like, I already got the radiator, the AIO in, and I'm working on putting the fans in right now for it. Bro, like building a PC, it's not hard. It's just a lot of screwing stuff together. But yeah, it's not hard at all. Like, I've been just screwing stuff. But yeah, I'll catch y'all when like I'm done with all the fans. Or a little change of scenery. So I got all of the fans in. All the fans, I already hooked them all up. Now I'm just about to put the graphics card. I'm just gonna sit it in and then let that sit on top of it because right now I don't have a CPU. All right. First, I'm gonna just move this out of the way. I'll move this. Excuse me. Okay, so now. Alright, and that is basically almost the computer. Yes, sir. The final part of the build has come in today. It's just come in right now. I'm so excited. It's just the CPU. And then I can go ahead and turn this on. Gotta find an unboxing knife. Oh my gosh. The last part. In all of its glory. I got the Ryzen 9 5900X. Oh my gosh. Y'all. Well, ain't nothing much to say, but let's go ahead and put this CPU in. take everything off for the last time. Make sure I touch some metal. I'll leave that on. Glass metal come off. Love the glass panel. Ooh, yeah. Okay, so I got the CPU right here. I just need to put it in that slot. Need to open it up. The roughest. Alright, so it looks like we get a whole box full of just nothing. Wait, but in here, the thing that powers it all, the 5900X. I think it could. Yeah, that's tough. So what I'm gonna do, raise this arm. All the way up. I'm gonna take out the CPU. That ain't right. Just hope for the best. Ooh. Alright. Get a little wiggle. And that's secure. That's the CPU. Now let's just move on to the cooler. I might need some more thermal paste. I might need to go to the store and get some. All sides. I think I can. Yeah. That's right. Put it on. These are the screws that go on top of it. I need like an overhead. Like, I'm sorry for sniffing. Like, I've been sneezing like all day. My allergies. But hold on. Let me try to figure this out. Okay, I got the CPU pump on. Ooh, everything's plugged up, and I realized that I probably should have routed this wire better. Probably should have put it through this hole. But I kind of just want to see it turn on, and then maybe I'll change it. So the cord to the power supply. Go ahead and plug it in. I have it flicked off. So that's why nothing turned on. So we got our cable. We're gonna hook everything up. Actually, I take all these out. Ooh. Actually, this one fit in. Yeah. I'll plug it into the first. And then I'll plug this into my monitor. Alright, it cut out, but I now have the display port plugged into both. I still got the plastic on. I'm gonna go ahead and peel it off. Well, let me see if it works first. I'm gonna flick the power supply on in 3, 2, 1. There's some life. And now I'm gonna press the power button. Oh my gosh. Let me turn the monitor on. Oh my gosh. Monitor is only cycling through. Hey! Dang. Bro, this looks amazing. Let me go and take plastic off. I should have ended this. It's so beautiful. Like, I see colors. I just touched the fan. So much airflow, like I feel it. I don't want to touch a fan, but. Oh. Alright, after troubleshooting for a little bit, I got the BIOS going and I realized that I installed Windows on the flash drive, but I didn't, like, it was just an application and I didn't know that I had to run the application and then do all this. So I finally figured that out. So once I do that, I'll be loading into Windows and I'll be, you know what I'm saying, downloading the drivers and setting up Windows and stuff. But yeah, I just wanted to give an update of where I'm at right now. I spent at least like 2 hours troubleshooting. And honestly, like, it's not hard. Like, none of this is hard. It's just stuff that I didn't know. So it's kind of just frustrating. It's like your first time doing something. It's kind of frustrating. It's not hard. It's just like a little frustrating. But yeah, once I do that, we'll be in business. I'll catch up with y'all when this is all done and I'm in Windows. I just realized I forgot to record, but I got Windows up on the computer. It's now just copying. But bruh, oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Like, oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Bro, this system is a beast. Like, once I start playing games on it, like, I already know that, man, this system is gonna be crazy. A Ryzen 9 5900X and a 6700 XT. Sheesh. Windows just got done. Windows just got done downloading and like installing and stuff. So it's getting ready. I'm probably gonna put the side panel on. I've just been like monitoring it, seeing like if there's some stuff that I need to like take out or like fix and stuff. That's why the side panel just been off in it. Honestly, it's really cool. Like, there's no hot spots. I do know I need some exhaust fans because all these are intake, and I just wanted to have like positive pressure because yeah, positive pressure is better than negative pressure. Better to have cool parts than suffocating parts, you know what I mean? Yep. And I did Windows 10 first just to like get like a how do I explain it? I didn't have me do that. But yeah, I'm gonna set this up. I'm gonna get back to y'all. Alright, so Windows has fully installed. And okay. Yeah, because that felt really weird. Alright. Windows is now installed and downloaded. I'm finna put the side panels on and stuff to go ahead and wrap it up. Wrap up the build, and man, oh man. Alright. Glass for the most part, you're going back on. And go ahead and peel this off. Y'all see it. Ooh. See the front. One more. Ooh, wait. But yeah, that's the build. I'm gonna try to see if I can get this internet figured out And yeah, next video will probably be something with me on the PC. But yeah. Alright, what's good? Probably the last part. I got the Wi-Fi working on the computer. And I mean, it's working like, everything is fast, like way bigger of an upgrade from the laptop that I was using. Everything is fast, and this is just my favorite web browser. So, you know, I had to install this, and I need to actually sign in. But yeah, this is probably gonna complete the video. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna like install some of like my necessities and probably get some games going overnight. But oh yeah, and I definitely gotta install the software to control the fans and stuff. But yeah, that's probably gonna wrap up the build. I mean, this video is probably like all over the place. But I mean, yeah, I had to get a video out somehow. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up.
Man, fuck Andrew.